Alrighty, welcome back to another video. Great to have you here. And today I'm just doing a bit of a quick snapshot view on one of our clients' accounts, just to sort of give you a bit of an idea on what is possible for you and what you can achieve with your Amazon business. And I kind of wanted just to sort of show you some of the numbers involved and some of the numbers potentially you can make as well. So this client, I'm not going to reveal their product obviously, but I will reveal just some of the daily snapshots and essentially just some of the sales that they're receiving as well from their end. So I'm just going to start off. You can sort of see every day there is sales coming in, right? So everyone's a little bit different in terms of what they desire out of their Amazon business, right? But what you're looking for is steady income. You're looking for consistent sales, consistent income. Maybe the reason why you're getting involved with selling on Amazon is because you're looking maybe to replace what you're currently doing, or step back, maybe take a little bit of time for yourself, take a little bit of time for your family, spend more time with your family. Whatever that reason may be, consistent income is key essentially for you to be able to do that, right? So every day there is sales, right? So you can sort of see here $359 on this day. The next day, 2 days later, you had $479, 12 units were sold. Then you had $559, 12 units were sold, right? The next day, 10 units, $484 was sold, right? The next day, you only had $119, but $119, that is still a lot of money, right? In terms of when you don't really have to do anything, and sales, Amazon sort of takes care of the customer service, they take care of the fulfillment, they pick it, they store it, they track it, they handle all the customer service. $119.97, I would like that, right? If someone else is doing all the work and it's easy in terms of work, it's easy sales. You don't really have to do anything. You just need to make sure that product is at the Amazon warehouse and they handle the rest of it. But every day there is sales, right? So $400 on this day, right? Then you had $337, another $400 day, $560. Then you had $562. Then you had $528. I think there's a $600 amount there, $727 that day, right? Imagine that. Imagine you making with your product $727 in a single day, where you don't have to be somewhere. You don't have to be involved. You don't have to be storing that product, taking it down to the post office. You don't need to be doing that. You can essentially be lying on a deck chair in a resort in Fiji or Bali, and actually this will make zero difference to your sales. You can be anywhere in the world. You can have the freedom to be able to work from a laptop and see these regular sales come in for you, right? Now around Christmas, you can sort of see around Christmas, it climbed dramatically, massively around Christmas, right? So went up, in one day you did $1,000, then it did let's see, $1,500, and then we did $1,500 again, right? So you got some big sales happening here, massive sales. So guys, just keep in mind when you're getting started, initially you just want to do simple products, lightweight products that we talk about in our training. But remember, focus on the key reason why you're doing this. You're in it for a reason where you want to step back from what you're currently doing. Maybe you're looking to generate more time for yourself, more time for your family, and maybe you just want to get one product up. One product. Essentially, it can just be one product, and that will allow you to step back and spend more time doing the things that you want to do, living life on your terms and not working for a boss, right? If you've got more time and you want to start a side business and work from home and have that freedom to be able to travel and work from anywhere, then yeah, this could be essentially an opportunity for you. All right. Just wanted to share the story. Have a fantastic day. Stay safe. Bye for now. See you later.
Absolutely, I'll be recommending this to all my friends and family.
Yep, I'd be an advocate for it. The 10 basic steps makes it so easy and really simple and clear.
For sure, this is the best move that I had.
I couldn't have done it without them, pretty much. It's been really good.
Highly recommend them.
Yeah, for sure. Very informative.
It's not possible to make a success in a short time without someone to support and mentor you.
Definitely do it. It's another income stream.
Yeah, that they should definitely join the program because, sometimes you find a lot of information
on the internet and then you don't know where to start.
Alex and the whole team are just really genuine.
I highly recommend it. I'm a very hands-on person, so I like to see things before I do them.
If I had a problem, I either rung him, sent him a message, he'd call me straight back or answer my call, and he was always there to help, which has been pretty awesome.
It's really good, gives you a really good insight, and just having the knowledge that you've got a team behind you that you can speak to and grab advice from.
Just to go for it. Really highly recommend it. These people are genuine people.
Absolutely. I've done a lot of different seminars over the years. Alex conferences are number one.
Do it in a heartbeat. I wouldn't second guess it. Do it. You get so much out of it, and knowing that you have such a great supporting team behind you.
I'd say it's probably one of the best courses. I've actually done other courses, and for a starting person, this is the ideal way to start.
This has been really good, this training, all the way around, at home and here over the last 2 days.
There's lots of things to learn, yeah, you'll have a really good time trying to find and reach your goals.
I work shift work, I send him text messages at random hours, and he always seems to get back to me, or emails, get back to me really fast.
They know their stuff. I've just got to trust them.
Very down to earth, very approachable, and extremely helpful.
I can honestly highly recommend that if you want a successful business in Amazon, join Alex and his team. You won't be sorry.
And that you've got someone to talk to. If you've got a question, there's an actual person that you can talk to, and they're really, really helpful.
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it.
I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me.
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time, and if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there, and knowing at a click of a button, just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have in knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after
email questions or send text messages and things, and usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues, or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for.
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable, I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, buy my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.